Aso kunyara omunachi ebina Monica Kivuti oyibono beteka crosswa ase kigambiro kia makadara ni gobono ase ritukulero ebigambiro aho benyara gwikirana ase ntira yokumuinyora kigambere kanene bakorawa na omunachi ebino monene ni gobono banyara gukwanengane yo mathako home ase wege kigambiro gie county ya Kisii ose Kisii local saborobo barechinga kitia base ritukuliara soka kumurekerengane yo aso kumuinyora yo mobo oyobete ga crosswa buna tokumanyegwa na Mildred Momanyi.
It is well with my soul.
Magega yomo Chief Magistrate wiki gambiro kia makadara Hakimu Monica Kivuti imeyomo cho Nairobi koraso alisasi no munyanyimbo enga kialenge kona cha ikina kiae omwanchi bo munyanyimbo yo bono nigo ebigambiro byonsi imensi ya Kenya byakora amasabo yoko munyora Monica enga kialenge asobokoreri bwaye ekigambiro gie county ya Kisii nigo getatigwa magega ase bono baragwa no mo preceding judge Munyausila asa tebire nigo kiaba egekore kyoko gosereria anene gotia ase abanachi ebina ase chikoti chonsi.
Today we have congregated here at the Gusii law courts, just as other courts throughout the country are, to remember and commemorate the life of our dear Honorable Monica Kivuti, who served as a principal magistrate at the Makadara Law Court. Through an unfortunate incident that happened on the 13th of June this year, she was shot and she succumbed to the injuries that she sustained, leading to her death. This is a significant moment, not just for the judiciary, but for Kenyans, because an individual has come to the very seat of justice and defiled it. That is an act that Kenyans ought to be outraged by, and Kenyans must stand and condemn it and say, this shall never happen again.
Niga mentirego tebabuna ense ya Kenya nigo ekuragwa inseyeli chiko na igege kole kyo kiaba nigo kiaba kyo kogosereria nabo igo tigerigo chigotakirwa asa matuko alibusio.
In the preamble to the Constitution, Kenyans aspired that they would live in a society guided by the rule of law. And Article 159 of the Constitution, Kenyans vested judicial authority in the courts. Therefore, it is courts that dispense justice. Courts make decisions every day. They may make decisions that some people are not happy with, and they may also make decisions that people are happy with. This is an extremely unfortunate incident that happened while she was dispensing justice. It is in fact an abominable act that shall not be condoned by Kenyans and should be condemned in the strongest terms possible. But irrespective of the nature of the decision made, the avenue of any individual who is aggrieved by such decision is not to take the law into his or her own hands. It is to follow the laid down channels of redress.
Ase chinga kiechecho niga mtebire buna nerebuya abananchi wanchirana kelia ekotie kona cha na sabole abakenya bonsi batie kuimukia egetambukiro asa mabokabo.
We must as Kenyans accept to be guided by the rule of law, and we must as Kenyans accept to abide by the decisions that courts make every day. It is not for Kenyans to take the law into their hands if they are aggrieved and not happy by a decision that a court has made.
Kulipotalia egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, eletaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Mia muno mulikito Mildred Momanyi soroboti rwa senchire yoboy